Welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's continue from where we left in the first video. So I was talking about the different components in the first video. Now let's click on the blank report when you open up the Power BI desktop and click on the transform data. Now let's connect to a file where we get some insights, and we will try to, in this module, we will just go with the very basics, okay. We will not do more transformation. In the second module, I will come up with the Power Query, all the transformation. This is just like an introduction, how Power BI works. Suppose somebody has given you data, how you will get some insights out of that. So that's the main objective of this module. So let's click on the new source, click on the text CSV, and I have a file called course registration. This file is all about like a training institutes where the students are coming, they are enrolling for different courses, and we are getting some student information from there, how much course fees they are giving, how much the duration of the course is there, everything, all the information will be available here. So let's continue. This file I will give you with this video link so that you can work along with that. So let's open up. Okay. All right. So the first I need to see couple of things. First, I need to see the column names. So student name, age, gender, registration date, course fees, duration in months, phone, email, city, state, country, payment status, discount applied, mode of study, batch timing, instruction, remarks, and certification underscore provided. So there is a problem with this column name which I want to fix it. So I don't want this underscore. Okay. How I will do it? Just double click on this and remove the underscore. It will just create another steps here, the rename columns. Fine. And other things are looking good. The data types also looking good. Data types means if you click on this, you will get the strings and all the stuffs, right? And let's take one more problem here in this case. If you go to the gender here, I am getting female and female. There is a typo mistake is there, female and female. Okay. So what should I do here for this? You can right click on this on the gender column. Okay. Then click on the transform and capitalize each word. Okay. Just do that. Then that will fix your problem. So it will be female. So everything will be, the first letter will be the capital letter. Fine. So these are the two things I just want to do the simple transformation. Now the problem is here in this table I have all the columns are available in one table only. I don't want that. Okay. So I would just want to split that information into multiple tables so that I will get the feeling which table what it holds, right? So what I will do, I will right click on this table, just duplicate this table. Okay. And this I will make it as a name called student info. Okay. And in the student info, go to the home tab, click on the choose columns and unselect it and select the things which I want. I want student ID, name, age, gender, their phone number, their email. That's it. These are the student information I have. Done. Fine. These are the things I have. Good. Same I will do one more time the duplicate. And this time I will give the name as institutes detail, INSTITU details. Okay. So the institute details, again I will go to the home tab, click on the choose, and then I will need the student ID because I want to make a relationship out of that. So here I will take city, state, and country, which city and which state and which country it is. Simple, 4 columns. And the last one I will make it as this I will rename it as course details. Okay, rather than course registration, I will say it is a course details. And here I will choose the column which I not selected for this two. So, I need student ID, name, gender, I already done it. Registration date, course, yeah, course ID did I selected? No. Fees, duration in month, phone, email, these are all at selected. Payment status, discount applied, mode of study, batch timing, instructor, remarks, certification provided. Okay, so this is done. So this much of only I need the information and check the data types. That's it. Simple. Close and apply. Alright, this regular. Let me just save this file, browse the device, and I will say course registration details. Alright, so these are all things are done. Now, if I go to the table view here, if I select my course details, I am getting this, institute details, student info, all these things are there. Now, only thing is missing here is the table. It's like I want a calendar table so that I can compare few things. Okay. So, this is very basic. I am doing it. We will do so much things. Don't worry. Like very detailed we will go. Okay. Because I am starting from the beginner, because few learners will be there. They don't know the Power BI. So, just bear with me for a couple of days so that you will get some advanced knowledge from this video as well. Okay. Okay. Now, create a new table here, and I will say calendar. Okay, calendar table here. This we will automate. Okay, I will show you some very good ways to create the calendar table also of the optimized one. So, I will use a DAX function called calendar. It will give a start date and end date. The data which I am giving it is starting from 2022 to 2024. Okay. So, that is why I am saying 01, 01, 2022, sorry, 2022 to 31st 12, 2024. Enter. Alright. So, this is done. Now, select this, and I want the format to be sorted. I do not want the time there. Now, I will want to create some columns. Right click on this, new column. I want the first column should be the year. So, I will say year of my calendar of date. Then, now select the date column, new column. I need the month. Okay. So, I will say month of my calendar date. So, but this is month number. How I will get a you will get a new column from here as well. Okay, don't worry. So, I need the month name. So, for that I will use the format function. Okay, the format, then I will say calendar date, comma, the format would be MMM, 3 M's. Okay, so that you will get Jan, Feb and March. Alright, so this is the calendar table I created. Let me save this file. Now, let us go to the model view. In the model view, let us just expand this little bit and click on the fit to page. So, here already my course details and my student info, everything is connected. Just only thing is that my calendar table is not connected. Let us do that. So, it will be from my date to my registration dates. Okay, just drag and drop, 1-to-1 relationship, does not matter, save it, done. So, this is a very simple data which I created from the very scratch, and from now I will create some basic reports, and I will finally throw it to you to create some other pages which you think. From there we can start creating. I will create one page, you can create multiple pages, and you can submit to me. I will review each and every one. Okay. Thanks for watching.